Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Talk to the Hand Polish to bring you some fun geometric nails using their Stereosonic collection. This pack includes 5 awesome bright shades that are 10-free, long-lasting, vegan-friendly, and cruelty-free. So let's get started. After a base coat, I'm going to apply Techno Yellow for my base color. Next, I'll be applying Party Pink using a thin brush to create a diagonal line on one side of the nail, then fill it in. I'm going to repeat the previous step, but to the other side of the nail using Rave Orange. Also, be sure to click the link below to check out more from Talk to the Hand Polish, and don't forget to enter their monthly nail art competition on their Facebook and Instagram for a chance to win $250 cash as well as $100 credit to their store. Now using Slime Green, I'll be drawing another diagonal line but near the tip of the nail. And then I'll fill in the side. And then the same thing with Bangin' Blue. Once you finish all sides, you'll end up with a diamond shape in the middle. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your design and give it a nice glossy finish. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!